YouTubers? Guess what we're doing? Developing more mods.
Yay!
I don't get a chance to do much of this lately.
No, do you?
So this is our own.
That's our own.
This is Little Killer, we call him. Yeah, he's got a few mods on him.
Doesn't he?
Anyway, we developed a new step for the BX70 series, because the new series now is the 80 series. The BX70 series is basically like this. Our problem was that we already had a step for the BX, but we never had one for the other models. The BX25D has its subframe because of the backhoe, but the other models never had a backhoe, so it had no subframe. So we basically developed a subframe, kind of a special subframe for that series tractor, and of course our step will be included in the kit, and you can check it out on our website. And so far that's what we got done for the 70 series. We've got a lot of stuff done for the 80 series, and of course a lot of other Kubota series tractors, but this here has got probably 60 different mods on it that's never been introduced by anybody. So after Christmas we're going to start getting back to the 70 series, because there's a lot of these on the go too, and they last forever like any Kubota. So with that, I guess we'll call that a day. If you want to buy or purchase the step and the subframe, the link for the kit will be in the video's description, and you can click on the link and it'll get you to the website, or you can email Kathy at specialtyrepairsales@gmail.com, is it?
Perfect.
And there's just so many dots and ats and
Can keep
But
track.
anyway, all the information is going to be there in the video description. So finally, for the folks who got a 70 series tractor and a BX that could not get a step before, now you can. We're thinking of you, and it's Christmas. By the way, happy Christmas, or Merry Christmas, or Happy Holidays, or whatever.
All of the above.
All of the above, or
Happy,
just
happy.
season's greetings.
Even that works.
Right, that works, right? And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, we get a lot of hits, but we don't get a lot of thumbs up. I don't know why.
Yeah.
You know what? I never thought of it. Maybe they don't have any thumbs.
To give.
Yes. With COVID out, and all the stress 2020, maybe they got their thumbs chewed off.
Yeah.
Right?
Could very well be. We only recently noticed it.
Hopefully we'll get back to see you before Christmas, but if we don't, but I'm sure we will, to those who won't see the next video, happy holidays, and enjoy your time together with your family. And we'll see you in the next video, folks. Thanks for your interest in our products.